family right now. Is it part of the stadium or not? You can't say that because it's not happening on the field of play or the inner perimeter, it happening on the stadium. If you don't have your fans, just keep quiet. Sometimes there are things you don't, nothing necessitates that you have to comment on every single thing. You have nothing to say, just keep people who are security. I understand. But listen, the thing about that we need to understand is that human life is more precious than anything. One single human life is more beautiful and precious than our entire football ecosystem. That is what we are telling people. So the point is that you don't come and say that I didn't happen at the stadium and I heard this. I've read a whole lot of things. But some of us, we are here because we need to put a stop to it. There are things that woman, I'm sorry you guys are sounding a bit respectful. There are things she should have put in place in the first place so that we can have the situation. Listen, Kankam has been at this thing. 3 football lives were lost. Lives of football fans were lost. We had a presidential commission that categorized matches that should be played in this country. We had category A games. If she doesn't know, category A games are Kankam has games and all international games. Category B games are Kankam or has versus any other team. Go and look at the security arena. There are supposed to be 4 ambulances present at a game like that. We had one, and even with that, we couldn't find the driver. And policemen were just watching. Why would you see that? There is no excuse to this. So, you know what? We shouldn't even talk about it. Let's talk about what we can do to change the system. We need to follow what has been laid down. We have a commission. There was a government presidential white paper on that. Let's sit down and understand that we cannot put the lives of visiting teams in the hands of home teams. You tell the home team to provide security. Then they decide to take the law into their own hands, do all they have to do. Look at some of the images coming up. Pooley was lying down in the pool of blood, dying. And when the video, there were about 4 police people, they were just watching on. Can you believe this? And you feel your excuses that you should tell us that you'll start behind, not in the stadium. So what? And so what? I'm very disappointed in the FA with their approach to this whole matter. Because ordinarily, if it had been any of them, I'm sure they would have been more serious about this than they are now. We have lost one life today. If Kankam decides to retaliate, if Kankam decides to take up arms and go after anything that comes after them, you know how many lives we lost in this country?
I'm pretty much sure that you are disappointed in the kids not even being present in the match.
I am highly disappointed in the FA president. Let me tell you something. Every president understands when to campaign for his staff. I understand. I mean, you have your ambition. We all support you with your pastor. No problem. But a life has been lost. When a football game, something that's your competition, one single life has been lost. One precious life has been lost. Listen, the father, the breadwinner of a family is gone. I was expecting every president to cut everything you were doing. Come down here, come see the Kankam management, the Kankam family. Go to the family of the deceased. Go at least go and offer your condolence, show support, show that it means something to you and you're going to do something about it. It's not about a member of the ESCO going there. That is the thing. When I hear, I get upset that they say that a member of the ESCO has gone there. So what? Let's imagine this. I mean, touch you. If it had been the son or a daughter of the every president, are you sure that every president would have stayed there? Would have stayed wherever he was to campaign for council? He would have come down here. That's what we are saying. Show that it matters. And let me tell you something. The IGP has shown more concern than the Football Association. And that is what hurts some of us. The IGP, after speaking to the family, flew down here or drove down here, came to see the Kankam family, went to see the family, did whatever he had to do. Even the meeting between the FA and the police was at the instance of the IGP. Can you believe this? Does this matter to them? are the same football fans you expect to come watch the Black Stars game, watch our league, and what is the essence of the Bring Back the Love? When we are losing lives at the stadium, imagine that Kotoko decides, okay, we are not going to talk, but we are going to fill classes, go to Frate in their next home game, and go and misbehave. Can you believe that?
Lastly, I know Pooley was visiting your station each and every week. A little memory of him, if you can share with us.
Well, Pooley, one of the things I loved about him, and I've never seen a football fan as passionate as Pooley was. He loved Kotoko to bits. Do you know that he told me that for 3 years now, the only Kotoko game he's missed was the day he was getting married. And if he had his way, he would have left the wedding to come watch the Kotoko games. That's the man we are talking about today. And people are sitting out there making it look like nothing has happened. Pooley, it hurts me because we had a conversation. I was going to help him. He told me about his bike. I was going to help him. I had friends outside who was also going to help. But it is sad that I feel he's gone too soon. It is hard to get football fans like him in this day and age where people don't really care about the local game. To have a person who is willing to go the earth's length to support his team, and someone decides to just take his life away from him, all in the name of football. Nobody can convince me that any football game is more important than any life. Not even the World Cup trophy. But we lost him sadly. We are expecting that since the IGP has taken it upon himself to seek justice for Pooley, all of us are seriously monitoring this thing. We feel that Pooley deserves the justice. Send a very strong signal to every football person that violence is never the way. We can argue, we can talk, we can do all the things we want to do. That is what football is about. But to the level of stabbing a human being to death, no, that is unacceptable. Not today, not tomorrow, never in the life of Ghana football.
In honest, Pooley is the Kotoko fan. Pooley a football fan. Here, what Ghana have the situation of coach here, 77 players and the whole world. The every young woman say, so much on the promo match. Western Queen Elizabeth Badinio, anybody at your age for opening forces 77 previous on chairman Sam. And now, walk away at this guy. Today, I can't say, you are not dear. Said you see me coming, said you see guy. But yeah, I can. The message will be an Sakumani Raffle. Say, 77 previous. Massive for almost say, almost for I'm not sure I'm near Markham and Raffle. Young Coupon say, I would do chere, a move, a dear Yakas, yes, Sam, Napoli. They are best celebrating Napoli, the Pia, the Bra, or body. Muslim is that you
Did you enjoy that? There's so much more, so why not hit subscribe?